In November 2022, OpenAI shocked the world by launching ChatGPT. They introduced the power of AI to the world. After that, they introduced another AI model, Dall-E, to generate images. In 2024, OpenAI is going to bring another strome in the world of AI. And that is the text-to-video generation model, Sora. Now you can ask, what is new? We are already familiar with various text-to-video generator tools like Gen 2, Pika, and Moon Valley. But trust me, OpenAI Sora is far ahead of these tools. Let's see what is offering Sora AI. Introducing Sora, a new text-to-video model developed by OpenAI. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long, while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Yes, other text-to-video models like Gen 2 or Pika can generate only up to 4 seconds long video, although you extend it up to 16 seconds. But OpenAI Sora offers you a 1-minute long video with more camera control and video quality. You can see the result. This video is generated with a simple prompt. It looks nearly like a video captured by a camera. And this is a movie trailer created by Sora with a single prompt. You can see the character's consistency. It keeps the same content in different frames, even in different outfits or costumes. The camera movement is looking so realistic and creative. It perfectly looks like a big production-level film trailer. With this Sora AI model, you can create outstanding drone footage with outstanding camera control. Now you are capable of creating this kind of drone footage without flying your own drone. Not only realistic footage, you can even create this kind of 3D animation or kind of anime-style video footage to create your anime movie. Now look at this. It's an underwater scene of a paper craft world of a coral reef, rife with colorful fish and sea creatures. See the quality and how the camera works. That's really amazing. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subject and background. The model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how those things exist in the physical world. This is an example. It's a video generated with Sora AI. The scene describes the camera follows behind a white vintage SUV with a black roof rack as it speeds up a steep dirt road surrounded by pine trees on a steep mountain slope. You can see dust kick up from its tires to make it more believable. Now look at this video. It's a scene of reflections in the window of a train traveling through the Tokyo suburbs. Yes, this seamless and complex video is generated with Sora. Here you can see the reflection. How seamless it is. I am pretty sure you can't even imagine this kind of video with any text-to-video generator model. This is a video of the Chinese Lunar New Year celebration video with Chinese dragon, generated with Sora. It's generated so many characters. And carefully look at this video. It generates so many characters, but you can't find any unrealistic elements like other AI models. The Sora AI model has a deep understanding of language, enabling it to accurately interpret prompts and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. Sora can also create multiple shots within a single generated video that accurately persist characters and visual style. Look at this video. It's created multiple scenes and keeps the same characters and frame. That's really unbelievable. Alright, now let's see a human close-up video. It's an extreme close-up of a grey-haired man with a beard in his 60s. And look at this video, how rich the details it. This is amazing, even the just subtleties in his wrinkles as his face makes like minor expressions, and like the different speeds he blinks, and then there's really accurate urate refraction in its glasses. Now let's talk about variable durations, resolutions, aspect ratios. Sora can sample 1080p videos in widescreen and vertical ratio, and everything in between. This lets Sora create content for different devices directly at their native aspect ratios. It also lets us quickly prototype content at lower sizes before generating it at full resolution, all with the same model. Next, not only text to video, Sora is also capable of generating videos provided an image and prompt as input. Below we show example videos generated based on Dall-2 and Dall-3 images. Sora is also capable of extending videos either forward or backward in time. Below are 4 videos that were all extended backward in time, starting from a segment of a generated video. As a result, each of the 4 videos starts different from the others, yet all 4 videos lead to the same ending. The next feature of Sora is video-to-video editing. Its diffusion models have enabled a plethora of methods for editing images and videos from text prompts. Below we apply one of these methods, SD-Edit, to Sora. This technique enables Sora to transform the styles and environments of input videos into zero shot. This one is: change the setting to be in a lush jungle. Next, change the setting to the 1920s with an old school car. Make sure to keep the red color, make it go underwater. In this way, you can generate new videos for exiting videos. We can also use Sora to gradually interpolate between two input videos, creating seamless transitions between videos with entirely different subjects and scene compositions. In the examples, you can see the videos in the center interpolate between the corresponding videos on the left and right. Sora is also capable of generating images. You can do this by arranging patches of Gaussian noise in a spatial grid with a temporal extent of 1 frame. The model can generate images of variable sizes up to 2048 by 2048 resolution. Sora can generate videos with dynamic camera motion. As the camera shifts and rotates, people and scene elements move consistently through three-dimensional space. There are some other amazing features available on Sora. Now let's talk about some weaknesses of Sora. The current model has weaknesses. It may struggle with accurately simulating the physics of a complex scene and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. For example, a person might take a bite out of a cookie, but afterward, the cookie may not have a bite mark. The model may also confuse spatial details of a prompt, for example, mixing up left and right, and may struggle with precise descriptions of events that take place over time, like following a specific camera trajectory. We will talk in detail about when it will be available for the public. At this moment, Sora is available to red teamers to assess critical areas for harms or risks. It also granting access to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be most helpful for creative professionals. The model will be available within a few months. Then we will review it again and explore the full workflow. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the OpenAI Sora video generator model. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!